App Inventor is an open source platform for creating Android and soon-to-be iOS mobile applications. Without having to write a single line of code, it teaches basic programming constructs like if-then and loops. It's ideal for the classroom and powerful enough to write some really sophisticated apps. In this tutorial, we're going to create that cliché, simple-to-learn Hello World application. I'll start by remoting into my Raspberry Pi using VNC, but you can use a Mac or a PC. I'll sign in using my Google account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for one. It's free. Once you get past all the screens, click Start New Project and then give it a name. I'll call it Hello World. Click on it and go into the design canvas. Drag a button over to the canvas and rename it to Say Hello. Drag a label over and rename it to Hello Label. Next, go into Blocks View. Click on the Say Hello button and you'll see all the events that are available. Select the When Click Do block and drag it over. When we click the button, we want to display Hello World in the label. Click the label and drag the Set Hello Label Text To block over and snap it into the Do. Click Text and drag the blank text block over. Type Hello World in it. That's our Hello World app. So now let's test it on our Android device. Search the Google Play Store for MIT AI2 Companion and install it. Go back to the app and click Connect in AI Companion. It will give you a QR code that you can either type into your device or scan. I'm going to type it in. The app should pop up. Click the button and there's our Hello World. In this module, we learned how to create a very basic Hello World app in App Inventor and test it on our Android device.